Hello everybody. In the previous video lesson, I have spoken about educational administration and functions of educational administration in the two separate videos. In the present session, I would like to discuss about features of educational administration. Let us share what are the features of educational administrations. So there are 10 features are there. Number 1, fulfillment of the goals of organization and education. That's a very important point to be noted here. Fulfillment of the goals of organization and education. Both education and organizations aims and objectives are very important. That's what the first feature envisages. Second one, it molds the personality of an individual as a moral and cultural person. Moral is very important because a person who is in the stream of educational administration develops moral and cultural aspect. Third one, it enhances new experimentations. It helps the education administrations to have the new experimentations in their administrations. Fourth one, providing suitable working conditions to the workers and enhancing their morale. So this is what leads to democratic atmosphere. Fifth one, it enables the individuals of administration to understand that crime is evil. This is very important to be in an educational setup. As an administrator, one should understand that crime is evil. Sixth one, it proceeds individual as a unit. That's what discharging the duties as a unit is very important. Seventh one, it enhances inner development of personality. Inner development is very important because administration needs the sacrifice, intellectual aspect, moral and cultural aspect. For this, inner development is very important. Eighth one, it determines educational process or procedures. How administration takes place, in what way the administration is influencing on the stakeholders is very important. Ninth one, it enhances new innovative changes. Administration requires new changes, that to innovative changes, so that each and every stakeholder should get benefit of this. And 10th one, it is humanistic as well as reformist in approach. So humanist and reformist are very important concept which makes the administration powerful. So we have discussed about the 10 features of educational administration. So those who are aspirants of administrative position in the educational setup, go through these features and discharge the duties in a balanced way. I hope you have got the information.